In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a contact as your top contact on PayPal. This is a really handy feature that can save you a lot of time, especially if you frequently send money to the same person. By designating someone as a top contact, they'll appear prominently, making future transactions quicker and more convenient. Let's get started and walk through the simple steps together. First, you'll need to navigate to your PayPal account. Once you're logged in and on your main summary page or dashboard, look for your recent activity or quick send options. You'll typically see a section that allows you to send money to someone again. Right next to this Send Again option, or perhaps near recent transactions, you should spot a small icon featuring 3 dotted lines. This icon is a common indicator for More Options, or a menu. Go ahead and click on these 3 dotted lines to reveal a drop-down menu. This action opens up a gateway to various management features within your PayPal account, including the one we need to access for managing your contacts. After clicking the 3 dotted lines, a menu will appear on your screen. Among the options presented, you'll clearly see one labeled Manage Contacts. This is exactly where we need to go. The Manage Contacts option is designed to give you an overview and control over the people you've sent money to or received money from on PayPal. It's like your personal address book within the platform. Click on Manage Contacts to proceed. This will then take you to a dedicated page or section where all your existing contacts are listed, ready for you to organize and prioritize as needed. Keep an eye out for this specific wording to ensure you're on the right path. Now that you're on your Contacts page, you'll see a list of everyone you've interacted with on PayPal. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the specific individual you wish to designate as a top contact. Once you've identified them, you'll notice an option, usually right beside their name or within their contact entry, that says Mark as Top Contact. This feature is incredibly useful because it pins that person to a more accessible spot on your quick send list, saving you precious seconds every time you need to send them funds. Simply click on Mark as Top Contact for your chosen individual. PayPal will then confirm this action, and that contact will now enjoy priority status. Congratulations! You've successfully made that person your top contact. This means they will now be easily accessible, often appearing at the top of your suggested recipients list, simplifying your future transactions. This is particularly beneficial for recurring payments or frequently sending money to family and friends.